Hello my friends, it's Ranger Russ from the Meigs Nature Center. We just got hit with a quick burst of wind. It shook everything in the house. The trees are really going, you can see the movement. This severe wind warning is in place until I think 8 o'clock tonight. This feels kind of like Isaias when we were in that storm. I think that something fell down in the road. There was a car stopped. Here's a branch. This just came down here. That came off of the oak tree. And I decided I'm not going to go out and look in the road because I have to go under trees. So I'm going to stay out. It came from that tree there. Okay, and so oak trees don't snap off as easily. This is our tulip, and they break off. Tulips are brittle. I am going to stay good distance away from the tulip. There's another oak over there. Don't have to worry about the oak so much. If you look over here, you can see there's a ash that the emerald ash borers got to, and it is dead. It has not broken off. Oh, there's a lull. There's a pause. There's another ash over there. Look at how quickly the wind just died down. Almost instantly died down. There's a little bit of rain right now. I would expect not so much rain today. They said a few scattered thunder showers through the state. So looks like my mom says it's just starting in Uncasville. We did have a couple of bursts like this just before I left Hammonasset. No rain at all, but down along the shore the winds were quite a bit stronger than they are here right now. Rain's starting to pick up too. I'm going to try and stay away from these trees. It'd be really foolish to walk under a branch right now with the movement that we've got going. So I just wanted to let everybody know we are in a severe wind warning, wind advisory, I guess. Gusts up to 50, they said. We'll see. Could be more, could be less. Now we're getting a lot of rain though, so I'm gonna head in. I'm going to sign off for now. I'll see everybody tomorrow at 11 on Facebook Live from the Nature Center.